This is medicine from your kitchen. Welcome to today's episode. This is medicine from your kitchen. You'd be wondering, what is Edak pounding again? What is she pounding? Actually, I'm making a black soup for somebody. So I just decided, okay, let me share it with every other person. This is lavender plant. This is local white soap that we use in making black soap. Add to it to pound, and when I finish pounding it very well, I'll now add some drops of lavender oil still. That's the tip that I have for you today. I hope you are going to practice this and help a friend out there. Thank you for watching. See you next time. This is medicine from your kitchen.